Consider the square root of 20. Since 20 is not a square number, this is clearly a surd. 20 can be written as 20 times 1, as 10 times 2, or as 5 times 4. We're looking for a factor which is a square number other than 1. 1 is a square number, but isn't useful as it doesn't reduce the number. It should be clear what I mean when we work through the example. The square root of 20 is the square root of 5 times 4. Clearly, writing this as 20 times 1 would not reduce our numbers. This can be written as the square root of 5 multiplied by the square root of 4. This is a fact that you should know, and if you don't trust me, try it on your calculator. Since 4 is a square number, the square root of 4 is a whole number, in this case 2. So we have 2 root 5. This is a simplified form of root 20. The square root of 5 is fully simplified, since we can't apply the same trick again to reduce 5.